On the treatment of slaves. When someone asked how it was possible to eat in a manner pleasing to the gods, Epictetus said, "If it is done justly and equitably, in moderation, with restraint and self-control, isn't that pleasing to the gods? When you ask for hot water and the slave ignores you, or if he hears you but brings in water that is barely lukewarm, or if he is not even to be found in the house, to refrain from anger and not explode in that situation, won't that find favor with the gods? But how are we to bear such slaves? My friend, it's a matter of bearing with your own brother, who has Zeus as his ancestor, and is a son born of the same seed as yourself, with the same high lineage. If you have been placed in a position above others, are you automatically going to behave like a despot? Remember who you are and whom you govern, that they are kinsmen, brothers by nature, fellow descendants of Zeus. But I have a bill of sale for them, while they have none for me. Don't you see that, instead of the laws of the gods, you only have regard for the earth, the pit, and the contemptible laws of the dead?